all, this is Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. The Armed Forces Special Powers Act is a controversial law in India enacted to empower the military in regions deemed disturbed due to insurgency or violence. It was first introduced in 1958 in the northeastern states. AFSPA grants special powers to armed forces to maintain public order. The law allows soldiers to arrest without warrants, search properties without legal backing, and even use lethal force under certain conditions, all with legal immunity. The primary objective of AFSPA is to enable the military to combat insurgency, terrorism in volatile regions, which could be Jammu and Kashmir and certain parts of northeastern states as well, where all these separatist movements and militant activities are prevalent. So, proponents of AFSPA argue that the law is necessary to allow the military to act swiftly and decisively in conflict zones where traditional law enforcement measures are insufficient. However, AFSPA has been met with widespread criticism, especially from the human rights organization as well as the civil society groups. Critics argue that the law gives unchecked powers to the military, leading to potential abuse and human rights violation, such as extrajudicial killings, arbitrary arrest, as well as harassment of the civilians. The most vocal opposition has come from the affected regions, where protests and demands for the repeal of AFSPA have persisted for decades together. Successive governments have debated reforms, but the law remains in place in several regions. While AFSPA has contributed to quelling insurgencies, the demand for its repeal or amendment highlights the complex balance that is present between the national security and human rights in India's conflict-prone areas. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news.